This conference will now be recorded.
Am I audible? Jyotirmayi, am I audible? Jyotirmayi, am I audible? Shagil Khan?
Yes, sir.
Oh, correct. See, today I will explain some programs on operators. First program is write a program to find sum of n natural numbers. Some natural numbers. What is the meaning of this one? If I said n equal to 10, now the meaning of this one is we have to find the sum of 1 to 10. Suppose n equal to 5, we have to find the sum of 1 to 5. Sum of 1 to 5 natural numbers. Right here. I will write a program hash include stdio.h void main. Here you have to take n value. So n variable. After that, we have to find the sum, means result, r variable. First of all, you have to read n value, then we can find the sum of n natural numbers. So enter n value. Shagil Khan, can you tell me how to read n value? To read the data, which statement I have? Good.
Scanf percentage D, sir. M percent N.
Good. Super. Right. Now, after reading the n value, you have to find the sum of n natural numbers. Do you know what is the formula to find the sum of n natural numbers? There is a formula to find the sum of n natural numbers. Do you know that? N into n plus 1 by 2. It is the formula. N into n plus 1 by 2. Suppose n value is 10. Now what is the result? 10 into 10 plus 1 equal to 11 by 2. Or 10 into 11 anta? How much? 110 by 2. Now r equal to how much? 55. 1 to 10 natural numbers is 55. Right. Now print the sum of n natural numbers. Sum equal to percentage d comma r. So this is the helpful. In this way you can find the sum of n natural numbers. Execute this program. I typed 5. 1 to 5 means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. It is 15. Got it? Now execute this program again. N value is 10. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 is equal to 55. See this, sum equal to 55. In this way, we have to find the solution for this problem. Sum of n natural numbers. This is the logic. It is a predefined formula. It is explanation. Right? Not on this. Right, next program. Write a program to read two numbers, comma, find the big number without using conditional operator or without using if else. You don't know what is if else? You know conditional operators, question mark and colon. By using conditional operators, you already find the big number between two numbers. But now I am asking you, don't use conditional operators, don't use if and else also. But you have to find the big number between two numbers. Then what to do? See this. Here what you have to find? We have to find big number between two numbers. So two numbers means AB. You have to find big number. So big. Read the two numbers. Enter two numbers. Scanf percentage D, ampersand A, ampersand B. Now you have two numbers with you. Now what to find big number? Big equal to, how to find, what is the formula? See this. A plus B plus absolute of A minus B whole by 2. It is the formula. Now print the big number. Big equal to percentage D comma big. See this. We have to read two numbers and find big. So I created three variables. I asked to enter two numbers. and you type two numbers completely. Now we have to find the big number. There is a formula to find big number between two numbers. What is the formula? A plus B plus absolute of A minus B whole by 2. Now you got the big number and print it. Now execute this program. First number is 10. Second number is 20. What is the big number? 20 is the big number. Big equal to 20. Got it? Yes, we got it. Now, what is the formula? How it is working? I will explain you. So note down this program first. Right. I will give explanation. Right. What is the formula to find big number? This is the formula. A plus B plus absolute of A minus B whole by 2. Here A value is 10, B value is 20. Substitute the values of AB. Big equal to A means 10 plus B means 20 plus absolute of A means 10 minus B means 20 whole by 2. Now, big equal to 10 plus 20 equal to 30. You calculated this one. Plus absolute of 10 minus 20 equal to minus 10 by 2. Now big equal to 30 plus, what is the meaning of absolute? Absolute give the result without sign. What is the value here? Minus 10. Without sign means without minus. What is the value? Plus 10. Now plus 10 by 2. Absolute function give the result without signature. Absolute function always give the result as positive number, not negative number. Means minus 10 converted into plus 10. Now big equal to 30 plus 10 equal to 40. 40 by 2. That is equal to 20. So big equal to 20. In this way, it finds the big number. Right? This is the formula. You have to remember that one. In interview, they will test your knowledge. Do you know different formulas or not? Do you know how to evaluate and how to explain the code or not? Right? You should be in a position to explain this also. Right. Writing is one part, explanation is another part. You should be in a position to explain to. Note of this. Ma, Priyanka Patil, you asked one doubt, return 0. Return 0 means whenever you write int main, then you have to return a integer value. There you have to use return 0, right? You can understand why we have to return the value, what is the need of returning the value in functions concept, right? I will explain you in functions concept very clearly why you are writing that. Now simply leave it. Void means doesn't require return 0. That's it. Priyanka Patil, you asked one more question, that is, sir, can you provide this Word file at the end of the course? Amma, this file, it is actually so confidential. So we should not provide you the data, right? So that's why we are deleting some data from this. Our Durga Software Solutions won't allow to pass this printed document. You have to note it down, right? If there is no time to note down, then I will send you. No, sure. Every day you have to note down the notes. Right. Next, 12th question. Write a program, it is homework program. Write a program to find small number between two numbers without using conditional statements or if else. Right. Now I will give the formula. You write down at home. Hint. The formula is this one. Now you are going to find the small number. So small equal to a plus b minus absolute of a minus b whole by 2. This is the formula. Here you have to change plus to minus. That's it. Then you will get a small number. You change this line, minus, put minus here, then you will get small number, right? You can write down at home. So take it as homework program. Right. Now one more homework program. Write a program to read marks in 3 subjects, comma, find the total and average marks. You have to read 3 subject marks. ABC, take 3 variables ABC, read ABC values. How to find the total? How to find the total? Jyotirmay, how to find the total of 3 numbers? Total equal to A plus B plus C, am I right? Now how to find the average? The average equal to total by 3, am I right? Now print total and average. So this is also homework program. I will give hint. Total equal to A plus B plus C. Average equal to total by 3. Right? This is the part. Now till now you have done some programs. Now I am going to explain you some control statements. In your town, who will control the traffic? Who will control the traffic in your town? Traffic constables, am I right? Or signals, am I right? By using signals or with the help of traffic constables, traffic will be controlled. In the same manner, the flow of execution will be controlled by using control statements. The flow of execution, how the program will be executed. First which line, then which line, then which line. How your program will be executed. The flow of execution will be controlled by control statements. Now the statements, those are used to control the flow of execution of program is called control statement. Right. Now, how many types of control statements are there? I will write the names here. Right, see, these are the control statements. Control statements. These are 2 types. One is conditional statements. Next one is unconditional statements. Conditional statements also again classified into 2 types. One is selection statements. These are also called as branching statements. Conditional statements are classified into one more thing, that is iterative statements or looping statements. Now I will create a diagram. This, it is control statements. It is about conditional statements. It is about unconditional statements. Conditional statements are 2 types. One is selection. Second one is iterative. Now Right. The example for selection statement is if, else, if, else if like this, nested if, null if, null else, and switch. The iterative statements are while loop, for loop, do while loop, like that. So these are the branching statements. These are the iterative statements. Now unconditional statements are go to statement, break statement, continue statement, like that. Now these are the statements. Now, so it is break, it is go to and continue, it is while loop, it is for loop, it is do while, it is if condition, it is if else, it is if else if else if else if, it is nested if, null if, null else, and switch. These are the control statements used to control the flow of execution. Copy this diagram and paste it. Right? Note this diagram. I will explain you one by one. Right. Can I go to next one? Right. Now, what is the first selective statement? No, it is if. So I am going to explain you what is if. Suppose you want to have a drink, then you should have thirst. Then only you will have a drink. Otherwise, you won't have. If you want to have a lunch, there should be a time. It depends upon the time. It depends upon the hungry. So some task we can perform based upon some condition. Otherwise, we cannot confirm. We cannot complete them. So in the same manner, if we want to perform a task based upon a given condition, then we have to use if condition. Now, what is the if? If is a control statement or not? All these are control statements, no? So it is a control statement. It is a control. It will control the program. So it is a control statement. Is it conditional or unconditional? If is conditional, no? So it is a conditional statement. What is the meaning of conditional statement? Without condition, you cannot write if. If you want to use if, you have to write a condition. You have to use a condition. So it is called as conditional statement. It is a selective statement. What is the meaning of this one? It is a selective statement. I will explain you what is selection statement here. See, think it is a statement. You executed this one. After that, there is one more statement. You executed this also. After that, there is a condition. You tested this condition. You tested this condition. Whenever you test a condition, the condition may be true or may be false. If the condition is true, then what to do? If the condition is false, then what to do? So, if the condition is true, control move to this side. If the condition is false, control move to this side. Right. If the condition is true, control move to right side and execute these two lines of code. If the condition is false, control move to right side and execute these two lines of code. After that, the program will be terminated like this. The program will be terminated like this. Now, what is this? If this condition is true, what is this? It is a condition. It is a condition. If this condition is true, then control move to right side and execute these two lines of code and control move outside. If the condition is false, then control move to left side and execute these two lines and control move outside. Now you are executing these two lines or these two lines, means you are not executing all four lines. You are executing these two statements or these two statements. You are executing selectively. You are not executing all. You are executing selectively. So it is called as selective. It is a branching statement. Branching statement means, see this. It is like a root. From here, the program divided into two branches. It is just like as branches of a tree. It is a root, it is a branch of a tree. So the program is divided into branches, so it is called as branching statement. When you can use if condition, it is used to execute the code based on given condition. Based on given condition. Right? Now, how to write if statement? What is the syntax? Syntax means how to write. Now you have to write if statement like this. If after that we have to write condition. We have to mention the condition here. This condition is true or false. If it is true, you have to write code followed by if here. Code execute when the condition is true. This code will be executed when the condition is true. If the condition false means else. Else means if the condition false, then code right here will be executed. Code execute when the condition is false. Right? This code will be executed when the condition is true. This code will be executed when the condition is false. Right? So this is the syntax of if statement. Note on this. In if and else there are no capital letters, all are lowercase letters. If lowercase letters, it is also lowercase letter. If else, these two are two keywords. We have to use lowercase letters. Priyanka Patil, are you not noting down this? If you missed it, to write down these notes, whenever you take absent or other things are happened, then I can send to you. No problem, right? Now write down. You are writing down now. Now write down. If you are absent, then ask me. Then I will send the day material to you. Okay, no problem. After completion of writing, please tell me. Right. Now I will write some programs on these. My first program is write a program to read a number, comma, print whether it is odd number or even number. Read out this question. First of all, we have to read a number. After that, we have to test and print whether it is odd or even. Now, what we have to read here? Integer number. Number you have to read. How to read a number? Printf and scan. Enter a number. Scanf percentage d comma m percent number. Now you have a number. Now what to do? We have to test that number. To test that number whether it is odd or even. To testing, you have to use if condition. What we have to test? You have to test the number. So number. How to say whether it is odd or even? We have to divide with 2. So mod 2. We have to divide with 2 and find the remainder. That remainder get by using percentage symbol. Number mod 2 means you are dividing a number with 2 and finding the remainder. If the remainder is 0, then what is the number? Odd number or even number? When you divide a number with 2, if you get a 0 as remainder, then it is known as even number. Else means the condition is failed. If it is not even number, then it is only odd number. So print odd number, print odd number. Right. This is the program. Now I do this one. My number is 10. 10 is even number. So got it? It is even number. Output 2. I will run this program again. Now I am running this program. It is asking to enter a number. My number is 15. It is odd number. See, odd number. In this way, you can test the given number is odd or even. The given number is odd or even. Now this is the program for this. Right. Note on this. See this. In your program, you used percentage symbol, no? In interview, you may ask a question like this. Write a program to read a number, print whether it is odd number or even number without using percentage symbol. Now, without using percentage symbol, can we find whether it is odd or even? Is it possible? Write a program to read a number, print whether it is odd or even without using percentage symbol. Don't use percentage symbol. You have to print whether it is odd or even. What is the use of percentage symbol here? Tell me. When you divide a number with 2, you may get a remainder. The remainder may be 0 or 1. To know the remainder, you have to use the percentage symbol. Without using percentage, you cannot identify the remainder. Without identify the remainder, you cannot say whether it is odd or even. But he is asking you, don't use percentage symbol. Without using percentage symbol, you have to solve this program. Now, any solution with you? See this. I will give 2 examples here. Example explanation 1 or example 1. Now I am asking one question to you. Number by 2 into 2 equal to number. Is it always true or is it sometimes true? Number by 2 into 2 equal to number. Is it always true or sometimes true? Always true. What I am asking you? I am asking you this one. Number by operator into operator 2 is number. Right. Now see this. It is a number by 2. Into 2 equal to number. Right. Priyanka is saying it is always true. Do you agree with Priyanka? Yes. Why? Because 2 and 2 cancel. Now number equal to number. Yes, it is true. But I will explain 2 examples. Take a number 10. Substitute the value 10 here. Number means 10. By 2 into 2 equal to number means 10. Good. 10 by 2 equal to how much? 10 by 2. 10 by 2 equal to 5. Into 2 equal to 10. It is 5 into 2 equal to 10. I drop down. Now 5 into 2 equal to how much? 10 equal to 10. So it is true. Good. Priyanka is right now. I will give example 2. Number by 2 into 2 equal to number. Now take a odd number. Means 7 or 5, anyone. Odd number. Take odd number. Now I am taking 5. 5 by 2 into 2 equal to 5. Now, what is the result of 5 by 2? Tell me. What is the result of 5 by 2? How much? What is the result? What is the result? What type? No. No. You will get only 2. See this? We have to divide a 5 with 2. See this? I am dividing a 5 with a 2. In 5, how many times 2 will go? 2 will go 2 times. 2 will go 2 times. No. In 5, 2 will go 2 times. 2 2s are 4. Now 1 is the remainder. What is 1 here? 1 is the remainder. It is the remainder. It is the remainder. Now by operator is quotient. What is the quotient here? 5 by 2 is 2, not 2.5. Right, Jyotima, you are right. 5 by 2 is 2. Why? Because it is integer. It is also integer. Integer by integer is integer. So you will get integer answer, not float. Now 5 by 2 equal to how much? 2. Into 2 equal to 5. 5 by 2 equal to 2. Into 2 equal to 5. I dropped out. Now 2 into 2 equal to how much? 4 equal to 5. Is it true or false? False. So what is the meaning of this one? Number by 2 into 2. It is always true in mathematics. But in C language, it is sometimes true. When it is true, if the number is even number, then it is true. If the number is odd number, then it is false. Is it okay, Shahil Khan? Is this logic okay to you? Right? Now, here you have to change the logic like this. Number by 2 into 2 equal to number, then it is even, otherwise it is odd. That's it. Now 10. 10 is even number. Now 5 is odd number. Right. In this way, you can print whether the given number is odd or even. This is the logic. Now write on this.
Completed, sir.
Time also completed. If you complete this, then you can leave from the class. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, you can leave.